Welcome to Roof Talk. I'm Jared Pierce.
And I'm Paul Hope. Today we're going to cover weatherproofing, why it is important, and the major pitfalls. The first step in weatherproofing your roof is using the proper sealant in the right locations. The sealant you would like to use in a location that does not have a lot of compression force would be an improved metal roof sealant, such as a caulk sealant. In areas around these where your chimney flashing is mating up to your sidewall flashing, you're going to want to ensure you create a large barrier of sealant wherever these two layers of metal meet. Improperly sealing these areas could lead to a point where you have a high risk for water infiltration. In areas like this where you achieve fastener compression along your Z-trim, you're going to use butyl tape. The butyl tape has a paper backing that needs to be peeled away so it can adhere. You apply it in the zone, lined up in a straight line, such as this. You're going to then apply fasteners to achieve your compression force. When installing your fasteners, you're going to want to go in the valleys of the striations when utilizing a striated panel. If you don't go in the valleys, if you go in the peaks, you're going to create a gap that could allow water to infiltrate. Not using any butyl tape in this situation, of course, metal to metal is never waterproof. Although the butyl has sealed along the Z and the panel, the edges of the Z are experiencing no compression and need to be sealed with a sealant, such as caulk. The second step to properly weatherproofing your roof installation is going to be your fastener selection. If you are placing your fastener in an exposed area that is going to see weather, you're going to want an exposed fastener. If you're placing your fastener in a hidden area, it's going to be a pancake screw that is going to be protected by metal and sealant. The third step in properly weatherproofing your roof install is going to be your trim details and your laps in your metal material. It is very important to pay close attention to your details of your trim. Always remember, water flows downhill. Mislapping any of your trim could create a waterfall flowing towards the interior of your home. Be sure to increase your lap coverage in areas where there is a high volume of watershed, such as your valley. Refer to your local building code to at least achieve what your building inspector is looking for. Reach out to us if you have any questions. The most important consideration for weatherproofing your roof system is going to be your underlayment install. Jared will explain a couple options.
First option we have in underlayment is your 30-pound felt, which we're all used to. It has your shortest lifespan, but it is also your most cost-effective. Your second option is your synthetic underlayment. It has a longer lifespan, but it's still not as good as our third option, which is peel and stick, what we have here. It's got the longest lifespan and forms a chemical bond to your roof.
Also, make sure when you're installing these underlayments, please consult with your local building code. Make sure you're doing the right process to not get flagged by your building inspector. If you have trouble, please reach out to us.
Again, I'm Jared.
And I'm Paul. Hopefully this was helpful and informative. For more information about Gulf Coast Supply, visit us at gulfcoastsupply.com.
Stay tuned for more videos.